Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with Castle Auto Sales and hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 6.6 Duramax with the Allison extended cab. As you can see, we literally just got this one in, but I have somebody interested in it, so I figured I'd get the video walk around done. But just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first, I just want to get the angles in here for you. A big reason why we do these video walkarounds, I should say I do these video walkarounds, it saves a ton of time on both sides, plus it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We do offer transport and delivery options. Just give me a call or text for further details. But this is an older Duramax. I always tell folks, if you're going pre-owned, especially like 10 years and older on diesel, you really can't go wrong with the Duramax with the Allison. What I like about this one, it has the tow mirrors. That's big. Again, I want to get these angles in here, get down on tires. Tires are in pretty good shape. Let's see here. They're dang near new, if not new. LT 26575 R16. So just bear with me here a moment, guys. We'll get to the inside in just a moment. Tow pack. Bed liner. Let me get these angles in here for you. Like I said, we literally just got this in a few days ago. I think it's still waiting for detail, so keep that in mind. It's been sitting under a tree. All right, we'll get to the inside condition and features. So pretty plain Jane. Good tip for everybody out there. So this is a US rig. If this was a Canadian vehicle, there'd be a circle with a maple leaf. So keep that in mind, a little trick if you're out and about looking for a rig. And see it right away. Power windows, power locks, cloth seats. See any rips or tears, center console. So if you need a seat 6, you're able. Passenger seat, let me open up this here. Frankly, I think whoever buys this is going to be a work rig. 4-wheel drive, aftermarket stereo, Bluetooth capable, heating and air conditioning, auto dim rear view mirror with the trip permit, the trip computer, destination, EMP compass, temperature, those kind of things. Let me actually find the keys here, guys. Uh-oh. Hopefully I didn't leave them on the desk inside. Nope, there we go. All right, let's go ahead and turn this guy over for the glow plug. Vroom. There is the mileage there. As you can see, no check engines, nothing like that. Let's go ahead and turn on some lights. Close this up. Like blinkers in the mirror, heated mirrors. Well, guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything that I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just reach out, give me a call or a text. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.